Well, I found my diving goggles, so I thought of showing you how these look. I didn't sand them, and I only buffed one, so it's buffed directly on the bead that was baked and that was made and baked. So this is with the insect eye effect that I showed you in the last Sunday live. And I told you that once you have it done and you have it all nice and polished and shiny and everything, you will have a lot of color change and uh, light flashes. And that is what I wanted to show you. The moment the bead moves or your angle you see the bead at changes, you can see how the edges of those cells from one angle they look dark, but then from another angle they look all shiny, and there are other changes of color and of it's all the mica shift. And I told you it's all in how you do your cane, and more importantly how you cut it. And remember I told you also that that spiral that's in the middle of the cell will be practically unnoticeable. All it will do will be to enhance how the color of the cells changes and how the light flashes. So yeah, this is, I just had to show you. I'm still in the process of making more of these. They are not baked, so I will show you that as well when I get around to it. See, my habit of dropping stuff. And see you next Sunday.